Hi, boys and girls.
Deck the halls with
Hey.
boughs of holly. Fa la 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 la.
Oh,
'Tis the
now you
season
can see
to
him
be
jumping.
jolly. Fa la 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 la.
Okay, good morning. Okay. Well, boys and girls, in math, my dog was looking at me like, "What are you doing, Mom?" Turn that thing off. She didn't like it. Okay, well, in math, boys and girls, it is super important that we keep practicing our numbers. So we're going to start off with practicing our numbers. So, what is this? Number 1. You put a 1 in front of it, and what does it become? 11. So 1, and then put another 1 in front of it, and it becomes 11. This is just a different way of practicing. A 0, put a 1 in front of the 0, and what does it become? 10. Good job. Okay, I'm mixing them up. What is this? 5, put a 1 in front of it, and it becomes 15. Good job. What's this? 9. Put a 1 in front of it, and it becomes 19. Yeah, I'm mixing them up, aren't I? I know it. What's this? 4. Put a 1 in front of it, and what does it become? Do you know? 14. 14. Okay. What's this? 7. Put a 1 in front of it, and what does it become? 17. 17. Good job. What's this number? 3. Put a 1 in front of it, and what does it become? 13. Good. 13. What's this number? I think I have it upside down. There we go. 8. Put a 1 in front of it, and what does it become? 18. 18. Okay. Oh, I did have a 16. Okay. What's this? 6. Put a 1 in front of it, and what does it become? 16. Good. Okay. Now, a 2. Put a 1 in front of it, and what does it become? 12. Very good. Okay. And what's this number? 20. What if I take the 2 away and I put a 1 there? Take the 2 away and I put a 1, it becomes 10. Yeah, 10, 20. Okay, so, okay, that's just to get our brains warmed up. Okay, so now, friends, in math, we are talking about some words that we've been really discussing all week and even before this. So we're going to look at them again. So let's see. Less, less, less. That means the same as fewer, fewer. That means small, right? That's a smaller amount, not as much. Now, more, more. That's the same as the word greater, greater. What does that mean? Big, bigger, bigger. That's more, greater. Okay, so when you have objects, and I'm going to turn my screen. Okay, when you have objects and you have groups of them and you're counting, the one that has the biggest amount, that's greater or more. Okay, the ones that don't have as much, that's fewer or less. So we're going to count some objects. I'm going to put them on my little table here. And when I'm counting them, we're going to look at the two groups. And when we're looking at the two groups, you're going to help me figure out which one is greater, which one is fewer. Okay? My bag down on my goodies. Okay, so let me turn the camera down. Okay, here we go. Okay, so here are my goodies. Okay, so I'm gonna put my dinosaurs together. Let's see. I have a lot of dinosaurs, don't I? And I'll put my people together then. You can't see my feet, can you? Here we go. Those are flowers. Okay. So let's count my dinosaurs. Now remember, it's real important when we're counting, we want to line things up because it helps us when we're counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 things here. Now, oh, look at these people. What do I need to do with them? Line them up straight. That helps my brain so I can think. We need to have things in order when we're counting, or we get confused and we miscount. So I'm going to touch it and move it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4 here. I'm going to write the number. 4. There's 4 here. How many did I say were here? Do you remember? 1, 2, 3, 4. Are there more? Yeah. 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 8 here, and there's 4 here. Which one is greater? Which one is more? What do you think? Which one is greater? The dinosaurs are greater. They are more. Correct? And the people are less. They're fewer. Right? Okay. So now, okay, I'm gonna move my dinosaurs over. Now I'm going to pull my flowers over. Okay, so let's count my flowers. 1, 2. Because remember, what do I need to do? Line them up so I don't get confused. 3, 4, 5. How many flowers do I have? What did I say? 5. I have 5 flowers. Now, how many people? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people. 4 people, 5 flowers. Which one is greater? Which one is more, friends? The flowers are greater. The flowers are greater. They are more. Which ones are fewer or less? The people. They have 4. Okay. Say fewer people. More. We could say more. Or a greater amount of flowers. Okay. Good job, guys. Okay. So what I want to see now is how many more. So I'm going to line them up and I'm going to compare. Say compare. So I want to line them up and compare how many more flowers I have. Can you see that? So everybody has a partner. I lined them up. I have one that doesn't have a partner right here. So I have one more flower than people. One more. Because I lined them up and I compared what I had the most of. And we know I had the most flowers. Well, how many more? One more. Okay. So, what are the two words we're talking about? Well, actually 4 words. It's more. And more means the same as greater than. And if we don't have as much of something, we have less or a fewer amount. Okay? Now, it's important for us to learn these words because you're going to be talking about the amount of things and who has more, who has less, and if we need more things, if you're setting the table, you're putting oranges in a bag and you're helping your family at the grocery store, wherever you're at, and they're like, oh no, that's not enough. We have 5 people and everyone needs an orange and you only got 3. How many more do you need to get to 5? So you're going to be using greater than, less than, more, fewer, all these words, and you're going to have to learn how to count, and it's real important that we count 1 to 1. Okay, so you're going to be using these skills your whole life. It's super important. Okay, good job, boys and girls, for participating and doing this and learning and watching. Thank you. And I'm going to send you a picture of the math page for you to do today. Okay, guys, don't forget, if you can and you have objects at your house that you can count and put into groups, and your family can hold up a card and say, make a group, make a group. Let's see, show me 4. Now show me 9. Then you put them in groups, and then you say, this one is more, this one is less. That is wonderful practice. That is great practice. You can get out your number cards that we made earlier in the year and you practice doing that every day. Counting objects and moving them, lining them up, and then telling your family, this is more and this is less. Okay? Awesome, guys. Make it a great day. Bye.